So welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to configure our router 1 and router 2 with the EIGRP. So I'll go ahead and take the access of my router 1 and router 2, and I will just make this one as shorter. Right, so router 1 config T interface E0/1 and IP address will be 10.1.2.1 255.255.0 and no shut. Exit. I will create loopbacks over here, so like loopback 0, IP address will be 1.1.1 0 and interface loopback 1, IP address will be 11.11.11 and if I say that do show IP interface brief, my interfaces have been created, so I will just put it over here on my topology now. So these are my loopbacks, and similarly I will create the loopbacks in my R2 also. So this will be the loopback. So we are going to configure that one now. So go to my R2 now. I will say that config interface E0/3, IP address will be 10.1.2.2 and no shut, and interface loopback 0, IP address will be 2.2.2 and interface loopback 1, IP address will be right. So at this moment do show IP interface brief. I have assigned the interface IP address and I have also assigned the loopbacks over here. So if I go back here to my R1, if I say that do ping 10.1.2.1, self ping has been done. So if I say that do ping 10.2.2, it will not ping now because my transparent firewall is in between here. Alright, so now that you can see that we are not able to ping, so if I go ahead and configure the EIGRP, so I will say that router EIGRP1, no auto summary, and network will be 0.0. Not 0, 10.1.2.0 and network 1.1.0 and network 11.11.11.0. And I will go ahead and I will go to my R2 and I will do the configuration. So router EIGRP1, no auto summary, network will be 10.1. So go ahead and say that 000 because all the interfaces I want to advertise here. And now you can see that the neighbor relationship is not forming between my EIGRP. So now I have to go ahead and create the policies in order to allow the traffic, and I have to create these interfaces and all those things. So I have already created now my R1 and R2 is been config now. The only thing is that I need to config my NGFS and allow the traffic. So we'll be seeing in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.